What I find most rewarding, and this has been true every year I've practiced, is the sense of satisfaction I can deliver to my clients who can finally say, hey, I feel like justice has been done. So many people who have suffered a personal injury or his family has lost a loved one to somebody else's negligence, they have no idea that someone's going to tell them it wasn't their fault. They were taught to step up and take responsibility for their own errors. So when they don't see that happening, it's a tremendous psychological burden on them. They carry it around and they say, why don't these people admit that they were wrong? Why don't they step forward to ask, how can we make it right? And I unfortunately have the sad task of telling them that that's unfortunately not the way it works many times. Insurance companies, corporate defendants, they want to protect their money, they want to protect their pocketbook, they don't like people telling them that they did something wrong, so they just deny and say, I didn't do it, it's not my fault. So I got a tall order in virtually every case I handle of getting a defendant to either admit ultimately that they were wrong when they started out saying they weren't, and sometimes we're successful in that, or having a jury say that, or having them tacitly admit it with a proper settlement. You know, just about every settlement agreement says, and the defendant does not concede it's their fault. But I always say to my clients, look at the check. That trumps what's in that statement. They know they were wrong or they wouldn't have paid.